signers, this video is all about numbers. I'm not only going to teach you numbers, but also the rules for signing numbers. So, let's learn how to sign numbers. Before we begin with numbers 0 through 30, I want to talk to you about the numbers 1 through 5. Now, whenever you see it, you're going to see me teach 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is when the number is being signed all by itself, talking about the amount of something, as in, I have 2 children. Children, 2. But you will also see the hand flipped whenever it's incorporated into something or incorporated into other numbers. For instance, if I was to sign my address 1430, you're going to see the number facing forward, not backwards like this. Whenever I'm talking about the number being incorporated into a sign, this is called the rule of 9. Once you're done with this video, you can check out that video. I'll include the link in the description. 0, 0. We're making the shape of a 0. 0. 1, 1. It's just the number 1. 1. 2, 2. It's just the number 2. 2. 3, 3. It's not like our typical number 3, because that is number 6. 3. 4, 4. It's the number 4. You just flip it backwards whenever it's by itself. 4. 5, 5. It's the number 5, just flipped back. 5. 6, 6. Now, remember, whenever you're counting up, you're going from the smallest finger up to the biggest finger. 6, 7, 7. Your ring finger and your thumb are touching each other. 7, 8, 8. Your middle finger is touching your thumb. 8, 9, 9. You're using your index finger and your thumb to touch each other. 9. 10. 10. Your thumb is up and you're moving it back and forth. 10. 11. 11. It's just the index finger flicking 1, 1. 11. 12. 12. It's the flicking of the 2. 12. 13. 13. It's the number 3 squeezed together, moving in towards yourself. 13. 14. 14. You've got your 4 fingers together and pulling them in towards yourself. 14. 15. 15. It's the number 5 moving in toward yourself. 15. 16. 16. There are also other ways to sign it. 16 or 16. 16. 17. 17. You can also sign 17 or 17. 17. 18. 18. It can also be signed 18 or 18. 18. 19. 19. It's the number 9 shaking back and forth. 19. 20. 20. It's your 2 fingers put together. 2 to a 0. 20. 21. 21. The way I remember this is like a 21 gun salute. 21. 22. 22. You're doing the number 2, 2 and bouncing it. 22. 23. 23. It's like the number 20 and 3 being put together. 23. 24. 24. It's like the number 20 and 4 put together, 24. 25, 25. You've got 2 fingers and then 5 together for 25. 26, 26. 20 and 6 put together, 26. 27, 27. It's 2 fingers and the 7 together, 27. 28, 28. 20 and 8 together, 28. 29, 29 is the sign for 20 and 9 put together, 29. 30, 30. It's the number 3 and 0 put together, 30. Now let's talk about numbers 31 and up. Let's look at number 31 and 40, and I'll guide you through why we sign it this way. So you're going to take 30 and 1, putting 3 and 1 together to make 31. The same will be done for 32. 33 and all double numbers are going to bounce, bounce. 33. This will be the same for 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. Then 34 is 3 and 4 together, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40, 40. You'll continue on through all of the numbers up to 99. So let's look at the tens. I just showed you 40, 40. The same will be done for 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, there is an extra rule whenever you're signing with 6, 7, 8, and 9 and going to one of those numbers. For instance, if we had 97, you're going to do the slightest move so that way you can see the movement between the 90 and the 7. The same can be done for 68. You'll see this 6 and then your hand slightly move over to the 8. It's easier to see those numbers whenever there's a slight movement between them. Now, let's look at some bigger numbers. 100. 100. You do the number 1 to a C, or you can bend it just like this for 100. 100. 1,000. 1,000. You have the number 1 coming down to the middle of your hand for 1,000. 1,000. 50,000. 50,000. You do 50, 50, down to 1,000. 50,000. 530,000. It's 5 into a C-shaped hand, then making a 30 and coming down to 1,000. 530,000. 1 million or 1 million. There's a slight difference with this hand shape versus million, all 4 fingers, or million with a flat M. 1 million, 1 million. 33 million. 33, the 3 bouncing, and million going twice. 33 million. 250 million. 250 million goes twice. 250 million. Billion or billion. Billion can be signed B-I-L-L-I-O-N, or billion with 3 hits onto your non-dominant hand. Billion or billion. Now let's put these numbers into sentences. I have 4 people in my family. My family, altogether, 4. Those shoes are $125. Shoes cost $125. I'm 35 years old. Me, age 35, me. The car is $40,000. Car cost $40,000. I have 22 students. Students altogether, 22 have me. If you loved learning about numbers, go check out our numbers playlist where I teach you how to incorporate numbers into signs. Also, if you haven't already, sign up for 10 days to jumpstart your ASL journey. You can check it out down in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.